Here's the news of the day.
Vertical Aerospace has selected Olsen Actuators and Drives to supply the actuation and drives package for its VA4X eVTOL prototype, with the system showing exceptional dynamic performance during testing.
Dallas Avionics has hired Cody Klaehn as government agency sales executive, bringing his 27 years of experience in law enforcement, military, and aviation to help equip and train agencies on the latest products.
Babcock has leased 7 Leonardo AW-169 helicopters from LCI to enhance EMS operations in British Columbia, marking Ascent Helicopters as the first operator of the AW-169 in Canada.
Native Air Force celebrated 25 years of serving Prescott with a special event, honoring past and current crew members and partners, and highlighting their upcoming expansion to first responder status, which will enhance patient outcomes.
Bell Textron celebrates its 10th anniversary in Japan, marking 72 years of delivering over 1,500 helicopters, fostering strong partnerships in the region and ongoing innovations.
Able Aerospace Services has received FAA approval for its new safety management system, enhancing aircraft maintenance with risk management tools and a reporting mechanism.
PTT Global Chemical, PTT Oil and Retail Business, and Thai Airways have formed a strategic partnership to promote SAF in Thailand, using agricultural waste and used cooking oil for production, with an initial output of 5,000 tons per year.
McDermott International has been awarded a master services agreement by Willis Sustainable Fuels to develop a 50,000-litre per day SAF facility in Teesside, supported by the UK government's Advanced Fuels Fund.
General Index launched 11 new SAF prices, covering key regions like Europe, China, and the US Gulf Coast, offering critical market insights as the EU and UK prepare for SAF mandates starting in 2025.
Magnifica is raising funds for Magnifica Air, a new airline launching in 2027 that offers premium travel at a third of the cost, powered by 50% sustainable aviation fuel at launch, aiming for 100% by 2030.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.